In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to equip your Steam Big Picture Mode themes. First, open the Steam desktop app so everything we change applies to your library and controller-friendly view. If you use a controller, keep it connected. Big Picture Mode is designed around it, though a mouse works perfectly too. Next, switch to Big Picture Mode. At the top of the Steam window, click the View menu and choose Big Picture Mode. Your screen will transition into a full-screen TV-style interface with large tiles and simple navigation. This is where theme and color settings live. If your Steam layout looks a little different, that's okay. Some versions also show a big picture icon you can click, and it does the same thing. Once you're in Big Picture Mode, head to Settings by selecting the gear icon. You'll usually find it in the top corner of the screen. This is your hub for display, audio, and interface customization, and it's where we'll make the visual adjustments. Inside Settings, open the Interface section. That's where you'll see appearance-related options. Depending on your Steam build, you may see theme, color, or both. Some installations use a single global theme with adjustable accent colors, while others provide multiple themes to choose from. The exact labels can vary, but look for anything that mentions theme, color, or appearance. Now choose your theme or color options. If you have full themes available, pick the one that looks best for your setup. If you're adjusting color only, select an accent that complements your display and helps important elements stand out. For living room setups and larger screens, higher contrast combinations and brighter accents can improve readability from a distance. If a preview is shown, take a second to scroll around to see how the changes affect menus, library tiles, and buttons. Apply your changes. In some versions of Big Picture Mode, changes apply automatically as soon as you select them. In others, you'll see an Apply or Save button. Confirm your choice if prompted. Don't worry if the look doesn't switch everywhere right away. That's expected. To make sure everything refreshes cleanly across the interface, restart Big Picture Mode. Use the on-screen power icon to exit Big Picture Mode back to the desktop client. Then open the View menu again and re-enter Big Picture Mode. When it relaunches, your new theme or color settings should be fully in effect. That's it. You've equipped your Steam Big Picture Mode theme and tailored the interface to your taste. Enjoy browsing and playing with a look that fits your setup.